ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Rob Clayton. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar overnight, or should I say yesterday, posted yet another bearish outside range day after failing the challenge of 77 cents. With the fourth outside range day now, looks for a further weakness into today's session, with the support coming in at 75.70.75. It is viewed from there, a break beneath this level would see a move towards 75.05.15 with an objective back in place at 74 cents. Any renewed advances should find resistance now, capping the day at 76.60.75. But do note, we haven't got the full support from the daily technical formation to support the move down, but nevertheless, this is quite a blow to the Australian bulls from the failed challenge of 77 cents, and with the fourth bearish outside range day, recaps potential downside. Euro overnight attempted to challenge that topside resistance around 110.20 to 120.60 after spiking a high of 110.38. Crashing down towards the support of 109.50, eventually gave way, and then we are looking at a potential target now of 107.40.70. In light of this very heavy downside move, and also if you look at the euro crosses breaking down too, does suggest that further risk is to the downside. And while the trend is still quite strong, even though we are oversold, and the MACD still supports a move down, a break beneath 108.85 would expose the weakness towards 108.25.40 and then the objective of 107.40.70. Resistance on the day should cap around 109.70.75. Well, dollar yen, as you can see on the hourly chart, is quite comfortable seeing a move towards a 104.30 level, with the resistance seen higher at 105.10 when the objective possibly seen at 105.85.90. In light of the recovery, if we go to the 4 hour, you can see here that we clearly can get towards that top side after rebounding away from that 102.70.80 support region. I'm still inclined to see this a bullish move eventually claim its objective of around that 105. In the event we see a move sub 102.70, this would negate the upside and instead put 101.05.30 back in view. Sterling, very disappointing to see the market break through 122.50 overnight for the bulls, and now looks for further weakness with a break of 121.90 exposes a down further to 120.20 and then lower towards 118.50 as an objective now. In light of the break, we should still not discount any impulses towards the upside, but should find resistance now at 122.90 and firmer around 123.5 to 123.95. My view on gold since the break of 12.85 was bullish, but I'm now getting a little bit uncomfortable due to the fact that we didn't see a move overnight to the upside, and with a stronger US dollar coming through, could see a break now of 12.60. If it's seen today, then this will expose further weakness, and I'll be looking down towards an objective of 12.40, which actually could see it fall further towards a target around 12.28 and then down towards 12.10. Until we get that break of 60, let's not discount any moves towards the top side, with 76 now, like 12.76 now likely to be capping the gold in the short term. And to wrap up with oil, we see yet another disappointing challenge towards that 52.20 level, and that currently the market is still breaking down, and especially with the histogram here supporting further weakness. A break of 49.40 would expose a move towards $46 a barrel and reassess from there. Any advances should still fail towards that 52.20 level. Thank you very much for joining me this morning, and I hope you have a great day and a great weekend that's about to begin.